it for hopefully the last time. Take me. I move that piece of wood down. But I believe I am done. Got all my screws in. Looking good. Alright. Just gotta move this off of here, and then now it's just a matter of getting the sides done. With the edges right here, I'll have some edging that'll go over the top and then down as soon as I get the walls up. But other than that, I believe we are now waterproof and rainproof and snowproof. And that's my next roof project is going to be the actual garage, because those poor shingles are deteriorating really quick. And then probably next year I'll do the other side, but this side here gets all the sun, so that's kind of the way it goes. Is we're north and south, and it goes east and west. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Around the House Project Lift Garage. Hey, Danny here, welcome to my vlog. Continuation of building my lift garage. Well, as you can see, I got my metal on the inside. I've come up halfway. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some clear paneling like I got right here, right in the center here. Actually, get caught crosswise. I can't see where that second one is. Right here. Up right there. Okay, yeah, that works good. I'm probably gonna put a piece right across here, right on top of this one here, because then it'll be supported, and that'll give me some light. That'll give me light from here. Got my two light. I got my light in the back, and I got my light on top. And then I'm gonna add on to the other side over here. So I'll be putting another piece up there. So I'll have almost 4 corners. The front, of course, I'm all done with. So I'm not gonna worry about that. Of course, you got the door; it'll give you light. But I'll go ahead and put another piece, probably right center right here, on the other side as well. So now I'll have light all the way around. And then when it's dark at night, then of course I'll have to add internal lighting. But for right now, I got these across. I got that the way I want it, because what I'm going to do is I want to put tan or the sandstone from this point here to the end, because I want it to come across. I want it to come all the way around, just like I did here. And then on this corner here, like I said, I'm going to add on. I'm going to go up 96. I'm not going as high as that. And then the angle is going to go across, come down. It's not going to go down at the angle like it is right now. I'm making it so it comes, the angle of the roof comes down like this. As you can see, I got my uprights that I got from another auction, and I'm going to get those set up so I can, I guess I'm just going to go out 12 again out here. So it'll be 24 wide. It'll be the same width as the garage. It's just, it's got a centerpiece. And this is basically just going to be to store a vehicle in, or parts or whatever. But this is my main function. There might even be a project. Hey, Danny here. Welcome to my vlog. Well, and this is the continuation of building my lift garage. Well, there we are. Took my beams out, and now I got a full inside. I'm starting to add to the outside. I'll show you in a second here, but here's a full view of the interior now. And I've almost got this side done. I need one more piece on the inside here and get that done. And I put a piece of plexi on the inside right here, so it'll give me light right there. And then I'm gonna put one straight across on the other side when I get over there. So from this point over here, I got my first upright on the back side. So this is how this is gonna be. I was able to come straight, come 20 feet out, and then I got my 2 rails right now, and then this will have a total of 3, and then I'm gonna go straight back. I got these in an auction like I did the rest of them, so I'm good to go. Those are 48 wides, and you can see that's going to have just a little bit of an angle on it, because we're going to go this way this time. And then I'm going to use these pallets straight across. I'm going to use 6 of them. They'll go right across the top, and I'll be able to bolt them down to the rails, and then put the metal on the roof, and then we'll be able to, I'll have another parking area for vehicles. So I'm not going to do much with this one, other than it's just going to be basically a storage area. But nice thing about it is it's all portable. It's not a solid building like a garage. So, and then I could take it down any time, but of course I'm not going to. But you know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe, and you'll catch me on the next.